If you're looking to automate your recruiting pipeline with ease, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to leverage Top Echelon software to streamline your hiring process, save time, and boost your recruiting results. Top Echelon is designed to help recruiters and hiring teams work smarter, not harder. It automates key aspects of the recruiting process so you can focus on what truly matters, finding the best candidates. Whether you're a small team or a large-scale recruiting operation, this platform offers solutions tailored to your needs. One of the main features of Top Echelon is its job order management. This tool allows you to post job openings and track candidate progress in real time. Imagine how much easier it will be to manage multiple job listings at once without losing track of candidates or missing deadlines. With the automated workflow, candidates are updated automatically as they move through the process, ensuring you never miss a beat. Another powerful feature is the candidate pipeline automation. Top Echelon automatically populates your recruiting pipeline with relevant candidates based on job specifications. This saves you time from manually searching through resumes or candidate databases. You can also set up automated email templates to engage candidates at various stages of the hiring process, whether it's sending out initial screening questions, interview scheduling, or rejection notices. But it doesn't stop there. Top Echelon integrates with your existing CRM tools, making it easier than ever to centralize your candidate data. This means you'll never have to deal with disjointed spreadsheets or multiple platforms again. Everything from candidate details to communication history is stored in one place, ready for you to access anytime. For those of you working in specialized industries, you'll love the networking and referral features that come with Top Echelon. With access to a large network of recruiters, you can quickly find candidates who are the right fit for the roles you're trying to fill. Plus, you can collaborate with other recruiters to share leads and expand your talent pool. It's a collaborative system that helps everyone involved. By automating routine tasks, Top Echelon frees up your team's time to focus on the more strategic aspects of recruiting, like relationship building and candidate evaluation. Instead of manually tracking each candidate's status, the software updates everything automatically, so you can move forward with confidence and avoid getting bogged down by administrative tasks. If you're new to Top Echelon, don't worry. Getting started is simple. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that requires minimal training, and there are plenty of tutorials and support options available to help you hit the ground running. Plus, the software is customizable, so you can tailor it to your unique recruiting needs. Now, if you're wondering how you can get your hands on this powerful tool, you're in luck. You can access Top Echelon for free through the first link in the description below, and we're offering exclusive bonuses for those who sign up through this link. This means you can start automating your recruiting pipeline right now with no risk or commitment. Stick around, because we'll be sharing some advanced tips on maximizing Top Echelon's features to take your recruiting efforts to the next level. To wrap things up, Top Echelon is an essential tool for any recruiting team looking to automate their pipeline. With its streamlined features, automation capabilities, and integrations, it's designed to help you hire faster and more efficiently. And don't forget, by signing up through the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so you can fully explore everything Top Echelon has to offer. Take advantage of this offer today and start transforming your recruiting process.